Good morning and welcome to the video, guys. It's a little bit early, but we're getting the day started with some breakfast. So today in this video, we've got a swim, we've got a run, we've got a bike ride. A lot of workouts to do today. So I'm gonna show you guys what I eat to fuel myself throughout these training days. So let's start with some breakfast. As you guys saw, I got 1 cup of oatmeal. I got some PB2 powder, fresh blueberries, and ground cinnamon. And then for some more carbs, I got a banana and got my coffee, of course. So we'll finish this and then get ready to go on our swim. So let's go. You guys are probably wondering, Kevin, why are you gonna go swim so early in the day? And my answer would be, good question. Apparently, everyone likes to go swimming on New Year's Eve. And it's by appointment only. The only time slots were 6:45 or 5:30 a.m. So yeah, I went with the 6:45. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. It's cold. Alright, just got done with the swim. One thing about taking on this new challenge, guys, of swimming is it's very humbling, because every time I go in there, no matter if they're 7 or 70, male, female, old, whatever, I am always the worst person there. I am always the worst swimmer in the pool. I'm okay with that. You know, I'm okay with that. I'm actually like that process of being the worst one in there and having something to look forward to. Went the farthest I've ever gone so far. I went over 1,000 yards, which is, I think 1,000 yards is a mile. So I could be wrong. I could be totally wrong, actually. So, but went the farthest I've gone so far, and so now I'm gonna eat this banana for a quick little carb refuel and then head home for breakfast number 2, I guess. So before we eat our post-swim meal, I always take a scoop of greens powder and a scoop of reds powder, and I take 1 capsule of joint support. All these supplements are from BPN. You guys hear me all the time. I love their stuff. So I'll mix that all up, take this capsule, and then cook up some breakfast. All right, there you have it, guys. Breakfast number 2. About to dig in. Shout out to Greg Doucette for putting me on this anabolic French toast months ago. but it's one of my go-to favorite breakfasts. So as you guys saw, I put liquid egg whites, 1 scoop of BPN blueberry muffin protein powder, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder. Then I soak the bread, just plain old white bread. Soak the bread, cook it in the pan, throw on some fresh blueberries, throw on some sugar-free Walden Farm syrup, and good to go. Super easy and delicious, guys. Don't knock it till you try it. So good. And does anybody else do this? Like, I'm watching how to make food while I'm eating food. This is my life. Alright guys, so I just got done recording a podcast. It's gonna be a really good episode. I'm really excited to release it. And now I'm gonna go on my run. Been sitting down for the past hour or so, and so kind of want to get up, move around. Today we're doing a track workout. So the track workout is gonna be higher intensity speed work in about an hour. So before that, I'm gonna sip on this, stretch, foam roll, get warmed up, and then I'll see you guys on the track. Wow, it's actually a pretty nice day today. It's not raining, the sun's coming out, but it is kind of cold and pretty windy. So, but I can't complain, can't complain. Let's get it. Oh my goodness, that was a tough workout. Oh man. So I did 2-mile warm-up, 400 meter at 6 minute per mile pace, then 2 800 meter at 7 minute per mile pace, and the 2-mile cool down. And the last 2 miles during the cool down, all I could think about was what I was gonna eat for lunch, because I was starving. So all I was thinking about was food for the last 2 miles, but got it done. And perfect timing because it just started raining super hard. So, whew, time to go eat. All right guys, so on the menu for lunch, we're making some wraps. So I got some grilled chicken. I got this tzatziki, or it's like a feta dill yogurt sauce. I've been loving this stuff. I got some flour tortillas. Got some cheese and a little bit of spring mix. So we're gonna put this together. I'm gonna eat about 3 wraps for lunch. Alright, there you have it guys. 3 big wraps going down for lunch. Ooh, can't wait to dig into this. I just woke up from a quick power nap, and then I watched the short film by Billy Yang Films on Zach Miller, who's a professional ultra runner, and it was an awesome short film. I highly recommend you guys watch it. Super good, very good production. So now I'm gonna actually head to my brother's house to get a Peloton ride in, get a cycling session, and I need a snack before I go. I already digested all those wraps, so let me show you guys what I'm taking for my snack. Okay, so for my pre-cycling snack, I got 2 pieces of Dave's Killer bread toasted with peanut butter and jelly, creamy peanut butter, of course, and rice pudding. I don't know why, I've been really liking rice pudding lately. Just super tasty and perfect little snack. 120 calories, good amount of carbs, no fat, like 4 to 5 grams of protein. So perfect little filler to get some carbs. So, yep, that's the snack, guys. As we had to make a little pit stop, I'm at Best Buy right now. I had to pick up something because Apple is the worst and there's no SD card slot on my laptop, so I need to get an adapter to put the SD card into my computer. So I'm here curbside at Best Buy to pick up my adapter.
You have a good day, my guy.
Thank you, appreciate it. Dang, he must be from the East Coast. He said, my guy. Haven't heard that one in a while. I'm home now after that Peloton ride at my brother's house, and don't worry, he got COVID tested, I got COVID tested, so we're good. But I just got done with that Peloton ride and it was super fun. It was a really hard one. It was the Club Bangers 45-minute with Alex something, I forget his name, but he's probably my favorite instructor on Peloton. He's really good. But yeah, I was just sweating like a pig, but it was a really fun workout. And I was way too tired and lazy to cook anything at home, so I just picked up some Chipotle on the way home. Okay, so for the Chipotle bowl, we got double rice, carne asada, pico, corn, spicy salsa, and guacamole. And that is it. No cheese, no sour cream. I'm cutting back on the fat for dinner. And that is it, guys. So this will be dinner, last meal of the day. Depending on how I feel, it's still only 7 o'clock, so I might have a little snack later tonight. But this will be the last big meal of the day. That's gonna be the video. Thanks for following me along today. After I eat dinner, I'm basically just gonna start editing this video that you're watching right now. On your days off, if you have a 9-to-5 job like I do, and you're trying to create content, you're trying to get your workouts in, you really gotta maximize the time on your days off. So like today, I got a bunch of workouts in, got all my food in, shot some content, and really just maximize the time that I had. But that's it, guys. When you're training like that, if you're doing lots of workouts, you're doing a lot of physical energy, you gotta eat a lot and eat healthy. Like you guys saw today, I ate wraps, French toast, oatmeal, Chipotle, peanut butter jelly sandwich. You don't have to eat just plain old vegetables and chicken or something. If you want to eat healthier, you can mix it up, eat tasty food, get all your calories in, and still have fun on your diet. So that's the video, guys. If you guys enjoy this video, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and yeah, leave a comment, thumbs up the video, leave some feedback, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.